Hi guys, welcome to another episode where we play with drawing. I said, I think a while ago, maybe even last week, that I wasn't going to do faces. Faces frustrate me, but I may have lied. We're going to sort of do a face. I have a picture of a statue I took when we were in Italy, visiting my family's home country, and we're going to try it. We're going to see what happens. All right, I'm going to take a pencil and we are going to do a sort of a contour drawing like we have been doing. So I have the picture up on my tablet off camera. And we're going to see where we get with this. How are you all doing? All right. Now, when you are doing, faces, you're doing an artistic rendering of a face. I am not a realist artist because, well, number one, it frustrates the crud out of me. So there's that. It's probably something I will never do because I enjoy making art, but I enjoy making art that's expressive. And you know what? That's okay. This is a statue of, this is Undana Angelica, an evangelical woman, I think is what. I'll put it right here. It was in a museum, one of the many that we saw when we were there. Just putting some line suggestions. Is this going to turn out the way I want? Probably not, but we're going to try. Okay, we're going to leave it at that. We're going to get one of our pens. I'm going to use a gray 0.1 uni pen. And we're going to go over the lines that we're happy with. In theory, anyway. As usual, I'm not going to erase the pencil marks. I don't really do that. Not if I don't have to. And I'm going to start out with the 0.01. The 0.1. But I can tell you right now, I'm going to want to go over this again with a thicker pen. Her lips are not quite right. I'm not going to even try to make her hair the same as the picture because, yeah, this was sculpted by an expert artist and I am not one of those. And I don't need to be. This is about creating something that makes me happy, expressing myself with my art, all of those things. Okay, let's go. Let's go with the 05. And let's darken up a few lines. Especially with regards to the hair. And these don't have to turn out perfect. You just express yourself in whatever way makes you happy. But it's also really good practice. Okay, we're going to go in with a brush pen in the lightest gray that I use, and we're going to do some shadows before we do any painting. We will be adding, of course, color. This pen is almost dead. Of course, I would find that out when I start filming, because why wouldn't I? Okay, now let's get out a water brush and some paint. Let's start with a shadow color. I want to start with the shadows. Looking more at the photo than I am what I've done on the paper. Now the eyes are just, I don't know what color the statue's eyes are, but they look black, so we're gonna do that. Okay, then while that dries a little bit, let's actually do this over that dries a little bit, she does have this like halo sculpted onto the top of her head. So let's take a yellowish gold color. Oops. Now, again, like last time, I will include the original photos, along, of course, with a link to this video, into my Patreon. And I would love to, if you're over in Patreon, see what you've done with this, either with the actual photo or with your version of some artwork from the photo. Oh, there's a piece of hair. I took these photos. These aren't somebody else's photos. And you do have my permission to use the said photo in your journals or your artwork over in Patreon. And now that I think about it, I should probably put that in the statement over in Patreon. So I will do that. Adding some colors. Her hair is very brown, so let's add some hints of that. Again, I'm not looking to like make this exactly like the sculpture because, yeah. A little bit of touch of pink on her lips, which still don't look right, but that's okay. Some brown on her eyebrows. And I want to do sort of a hint of a, oh, excuse me, pale olivey colored skin. So let me see what I can mix up here. And then water it down. It's a little bit brown. That's not horrible. It's not a comment of praise or anything, but it's not horrible. Okay, let's take, well, first of all, we're going to take this out because I got to replace that. That's almost dead. I'm going to take a black 05, and yeah, we're going to take the black 05. And I'm going to write down well, first I'm going to Okay. Then let's find the screenshot I took of what the translation was. An evangelical woman. That was it. And this picture was taken in, oh boy, I have to scroll back now. Hang on. Let's see. There it is. Florence. That's it for today. I can't say I'm mad about it. I hope it gives you some inspiration to do something out of your scope of comfort and just enjoy the process no matter how it turns out. If I can, you can, and I'd love to see what you're doing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check out the video description for relevant links, including Patreon, and go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.